In this video, let us learn how to divide the number 50 by 4 using the long division method. We know that 4 times 1 is 4. Subtract we get 1. Now 1 is less than 4. That is why we will bring down this number 0 here. Now we know that 2 times 4 is 8. Subtract we get 2. Now 2 is less than 4 and see that we have no number to bring down here. In this case, we will borrow one zero and for that we need to put a decimal here. Now 4 times 5 is 20. Subtract we get a 0. As we have obtained the number 0, so we will stop. Therefore, 50 divided by 4 is equal to 12.5 and this is our final answer. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and comment on the video. Also do subscribe the channel.